Hello, today we are going to see the important terms and concepts of macroeconomics. So, first of all, you should know what is the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, the term micro is derived from the Greek word mikros, which means small. And as the name indicates, microeconomics deals with individual units. It studies individual income. It analyzes demand and supply of labor. It deals with individual households, individual firms, individual industries. Its main tools are demand and supply. And it studies individual prices and analyzes demand and supply of goods, deals with the households and firms' decisions. Macroeconomics. The term macro itself is derived from the Greek word macros, which means large. So, as the name indicates, macroeconomics studies the economy as a whole. It studies national income, not individual income. It studies aggregate demand and aggregate supply, not individual demand and individual supply. When macroeconomics studies consumption, it is not the consumption by two consumers, but the consumption by the whole economy. And when it studies aggregate supply, it is the total supply of all the final goods and services produced in the economy in an accounting year. Not the supply of an individual firm, not the supply of individual industries. So, this way we can see that micro, as the name indicates, it is a small study of an economy. And macro is the study of the economy as a whole. Macroeconomics, otherwise we can say that it is the concept of national income accounting. So, national income accounting means it is that part of economics which studies the economy as a whole. How is national income calculated? What is national income? How is it calculated? What are the concepts associated with the national income accounting? And how national income, the changes in national income affect the growth of the economy? What is the total employment in the economy? What is the general price level? And is there inflation or deflation? And while microeconomics is studying the individual units in the economy, that is within the domestic economy, macroeconomics is more than that. It studies the economy as a whole, that is domestic income plus net factor income from abroad. So, domestic income and net factor income from abroad, that is the total income of the economy in an accounting year. It is studied under macroeconomics. And while we are learning national income or national income accounting, there are many concepts, terms related to it. And there are three important ways of measuring national income. All these we will see in the next module. All the important terms and concepts associated with the national income accounting will be explained through short modules for your convenience. So, we are going to learn macroeconomics in detail. What is macroeconomics? It is the study of economy as a whole. It is a combination of four sectors, C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where C is equal to the consumption sector or household sector, I is equal to investment sector, G is equal to government sector, and the external sector. Net exports X minus M, rest of the world sector. Okay, so C plus I plus G plus rest of the world sector, X minus M. So in the next module, we will start the calculation of national income by learning the important concepts, the definition of national income, and the three important ways of measuring national income.